This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by getting the clip into VN so you can change the voice right away. First, open the project and import the audio or video file. This makes the waveform editable. Once done, trim to the section you'll modify so you don't affect unrelated parts. Make sure your project sample rate and high-quality import are enabled in settings to preserve clarity, otherwise effects may sound thin. Now that the clip is ready and trimmed, move on to applying voice effects and adjustments. You'll now change the timbre using VN's effects stack to get a natural result. Tap the clip, open Edit, and choose Audio Effects or Voice Change. Start with pitch shifts of small amounts, then tweak format to keep vowel character. Next, add subtle EQ to remove muddiness and light reverb to blend the effect. Avoid extreme values that reveal processing. Use a preset for a quick option, then fine-tune and save a custom preset. This keeps consistency across multiple clips and projects. Finish by carefully refining levels and removing artifacts so the voice sounds intentional. You should listen on headphones and adjust clip gain, fades, and any noise reduction to avoid pumping or distortion. Once satisfied, export a short test at your project's target quality and listen on the device where it will play. Phones can reveal issues desktop monitors don't. If you hear glitches, reset effects, confirm sample rate matches the source, or re-import the audio. Those steps fix most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.